Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to set up our Samsung Smart TV for the first time. As soon as we set up the TV, we will get a screen like this. I'll explain how to proceed to complete the setup overall. So let's check it out. This is the first welcome screen. We have to select the language here. Most of the time, your TV remote will automatically get paired to your TV. If you want to pair this manually, please check our video in the description. We have explained all the steps there. Now let's select the language. English. Download and run the latest Smart TV Smart Things app on your mobile. Then start Samsung via device. We can also do this via our remote. So we'll go ahead with the remote itself. Select the country. Okay, Asia, Europe, I guess. Next. Setup made easy. Okay. Next. Wireless connection. Select your wireless network. So here we have to connect our Wi-Fi network to the smart TV. You can select which Wi-Fi you are using and enter the password here. After entering the password, it will check the connection. Okay, successful. Your TV is connected to the internet. Then terms and conditions. I don't think we have to agree to all. I think you can just simply go ahead with OK. Sign in with your Samsung account. So if you already have a Samsung account, we can sign in here or we can create a new account. I already have a Samsung account, so I'll sign in here. I'll enter my email and password. I have entered my email address and password here. We can also sign in using the mobile or PC options. So after entering all this, select sign in here and complete the two-step verification if you have enabled that. Send code. After entering the verification code, go to verify. We can do this later. Your TV is now signed in to your account. Next. Register the serial number for this TV in your Samsung account to verify your purchases more easily. Okay, we can select register. Okay, the serial number for this TV has been registered. Okay, select next now. We can also configure the voice assistant. I'll make a separate video for this, so I'll choose later. This one is for backup. This TV will back up your TV setup data to Samsung Cloud with your Samsung account. So we can choose the backup option here. Identification complete. You can use your Samsung Smart Remote to control your TV. Okay. We connected our PlayStation, so I can see the PlayStation 5 here. Next. We have the HDMI with the PlayStation 5. We are using wireless connection, and this is my account. Discover a faster way to link your apps. We can do this later. Skip. Take your viewing experience to the next level. Okay, skip. Okay, we can also do all these things with our smartphone if we have connected our smartphone with the TV. So we can keep a note of this. Test your remote. It's working. Okay, the TV remote is working, so we can go to next. Let's enjoy TV. Your TV is now ready to use. Start enjoying TV. So that's all. Our setup is complete now. So that's all. We have completed the initial setup of our Samsung Smart TV. We can change some settings to make the whole experience much better. I'll make separate videos for that. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts about Samsung Smart TV setup in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.